cross reveals not only God's righteousness and God's grace, but God's consistency. Now think about this. Sometimes people have said, well, there's an Old Testament way of salvation. The Jews were saved a certain way. This is popular in evangelicalism today. The Jews were saved one way, we're saved one way. Now wait a minute. The salvation that God granted to the believers of the Old Testament who believed in Him truly was secured for them by the death of Christ in the future. Our salvation is secured for us by the death of Christ in the past. But it is the death of Christ that sweeps back and the death of Christ that sweeps forward. So obviously there's only one possible way of salvation, and that is the death of Christ.